In case you are wondering how do you protect yourself against the ongoing situation, we've come up with a very handy kit for you from Jammi's. The first one that you will need to use is Immune Zen. This has got zinc, magnesium, selenium, manganese. This is 1 spoon 2 times a day. Immune Zen is the name. Excellent granules, kids friendly. The other thing is Kabasara Kudni, recommended by the Ayush Ministry, freely distributed across the state by the Tamil Nadu government, is excellent. It's a kashayam that you need to make. Make sure that you take this at least once a day. Sudarshana Churna capsule. Sudarshana, as the name implies, is a protector, very powerful, very potent. It protects against all kinds of fevers. There are 64 different kinds of fevers in Ayurveda, and Sudarshana Churna protects against all of them. Now, if you have the coughs, the dry cough, that irritating cough that doesn't just seem to go away, you need a combination of AA caps and swascolin. It works very well. 2 capsules 3 times a day mixed with swascolin syrup. This is Pyral, which is an Ayurvedic antiviral. Extremely potent and powerful. Please use this to make sure that you take care of your fevers.